So how do we actually go about doing this? So step one is actually to put in fixed point. So we've got 23 over 2, 11R1. And then 0.5, so this is going to go upwards for the whole part, and for the fractal part, we do 0.5 times 2, it's 1.0, which means a 1 gets pulled out. And then 0.0 times 2 is going to be, there's no reason to continue, and it goes down. So our value here is 10111.1. So our next step, step 2, is to calculate out our mantissa and the next component of the exponent. So when we look at 10111.1, we then look at putting it basically in scientific notation. That we move our radix point until we have a 1 in the front. So we're moving it 1, 2, 3, 4 spots to the left. And when we move it to the left, that means it's going to be a positive value. So that's going to give us our exponent piece. And our mantissa piece is going to be this piece here. So our mantissa foundation is going to equal 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Note that you will need to pad. And lesson learned. So again, the part to the right of our new radix location is what makes up our mantissa. And then we'll pad to fill 23 bits. So then we calculate out our exponent. So 127 is our bias point. We're doing a positive exponent, so plus 4, 131. So then we do convert this to binary. So this right here is going to be our exponent. We have step 4, which I'll put here, which can really go at any part. What is the sign bit? And this is a negative number, so that means it's going to be a 1. And then finally, step 5 is put it together. So I'm going to write it down here in blue. So we have b. Our sign bit is a 1. Our exponent, 1, 0, 0, 0. And then we put in our mantissa, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 that we've calculated. And then we pad up to 23. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we need 18 zeros. And that is our single precision floating point number for minus 23.5. So just a couple quick things. I'm going to make sure to save that first. This is our sign bit. This is our exponent. So this, and then we have our mantissa. So that's our overall process. Then we go to fixed points. Then we do a scientific notation idea to calculate the mantissa. We take our scientific notation transformation factor to update our exponents. We identify the sign bit, and then we put it together.